What up, Stormtroopers, and welcome back to our daily vlog series. And today is the daily vlog number 16. And today, although it's a daily vlog, but it's going to be a follow-up of one of my videos that I made almost a year back. And this is one of my most spoken about video. I keep giving the reference of this one every now and then. This is the first ever product review that I did, and it was of Bell helmet. Now, interestingly, 2 days back, one of the guys who saw the videos put out 2 comments on that video, and those were very valid questions about the Bell helmet. The first one was asking how to authenticize or how to be sure that the bell that you have bought is authentic. And the second one was, are all the Bell helmets in India ECE certified? So in today's video, I'm going to be answering both those questions. So let's get on with it. So the moment I saw those 2 questions, it got me thinking that these are very, very valid points. And even though I did think about these points in the past, but I never got the opportunity to cater to these questions and find the answers out all by myself. So the first thing I did was I logged on to the official Bell website. I got into the contact us section, and under that, I sent them an email asking about these 2 queries, to which unfortunately I have still not received any reply. But I wasn't going to wait for 2 days to get my answers. So the next obvious step for me was to call the guy who suggested me to buy my first Bell helmet. A shout out to Arvind Iyer. Thank you, brother, for suggesting me such an awesome brand, and thank you for suggesting a way out for me. So I called him with these 2 questions, hoping that he might have the answers. But he put me on the right path. He asked me to call the people from High Note Performance. Yes guys, these are the official dealers, distributors of Bell helmets in India. So that's what I did. I got onto their website, I went into the contact us section and dialed their customer care number immediately. And to my surprise, they were very quick with the response. Within the first 2 rings, my phone was picked up, and the guy on the other end of the phone was equally patient with me. So this is how it went. So I asked him these 2 questions, and he very patiently answered me. So let's begin with finding those answers. First one was how to check the authenticity of the Bell helmet, because there are too many fake Bell helmets in India in the market. So how to check whether a helmet is authentic or not? First of all, you take the strap, and then you find this Bell branding on the strap itself. The second thing you need to do is you remove this liner, and if you can see closely, on this button itself there is Bell ka logo embossed already, which is another proof. Secondly, when you remove the liner on the other side, underneath the liner, can you see this Bell ka logo and sticker with the manufacturing date along with it? And apart from that, at the back of the helmet as well, you can see the Bell ka sticker with the series and what certification it is. Like mine, it says it is an ECE certified. Which brings us to our next point. So the next question was, are all the Bell helmets in India ECE certified? That is not entirely true. So there are 2 types of certification. For more details, I'm leaving a link on the screen. Please go through it. I've explained the difference between the DOT and the ECE certifications. But broadly, DOT is a US standard and ECE is a European standard. If your helmet has been imported from the US, your helmet is going to be a DOT certified helmet. If it has been imported from Europe, it is going to be an ECE certified helmet. Now, if your helmet is a DOT certified helmet and it's imported from US, it is going to be a little more expensive than the European counterparts. That is why Indian dealers prefer to import helmets from Europe or China. So the certification entirely depends upon the country of import. So today's video is going to be crisp and short, and it's going to be to the point entirely about these 2 things, mainly focusing on the authenticity and the certification part. On that note, I will take your leave. Please help me grow my channel and let's take it to 1,000 subscribers. On that note, I'll end the video today and see you tomorrow again with another one. Ciao.